need to change your brakes and want to do it yourself, it's a quick and easy way. We're just gonna do a Lexus IS 250 today, and we got our brake pads, our keys, and the tools. And then we're gonna lift the car up and start. Right is tight and left is loose, and we're just gonna loosen these up a little bit. So we went ahead and took off the tire, and then we're going to be unscrewing these two bolts, and they're 14 millimeters. So there's also one down here, and then we're going to take this off right here, this piece itself. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. There we go. And it comes off just like that. And then we'll be taking off this brake and this one from the other side. Okay, and we're going to just push this straight out from behind. Okay. And I took off the back one as well. And then we're going to be removing this metal piece right here. Often putting it on the new ones, but clean them off a little bit. So usually it's this metal piece that comes off. However, on the new ones that I bought, they already come with it, so we're not going to replace it. But if you need to, you can put it on like that. The next step is to use this tool, and you slide this piece in from the bottom in, right? And it's gonna push against this piece right here. This circle piece is going to lay flat against the circle, because we're going to try to push this back in, and we're going to put this in a second. Okay, now that we've put it on here, we're going to screw this up so that it pushes against it. So we went ahead and pushed it in all the way back here, and then we're going to push the new brake pads in towards part here. Then we're going to do the same for the back side as well. And now we just slide this back in on top and align it so that the bolts can go back in and screw them. And now we're all done. We just got to put the wheel back on and do the same for the other side.